My name is Jamie Cox. I'm 37 years old. I started to come see Dr. Michael back in November of 2009 because I have been diagnosed with Ankylosing Spondylitis, which is a form of arthritis. I was on Enbrel, which was a shot that I had to take one time a week in the stomach. The cost of the shots were actually about $1,400, but I've been off the shots for 2 years now since I've been seeing Dr. Michael, and I continue to improve with the stiffness I have in my lower back. Dr. Michael and his staff has been a great assistance. They're very kind and courteous, and I hope to keep coming to see him and hope to keep improving. My last report from my x-rays was actually very good, so I hope they are even better the next time.